See how fast I can sneak into this. Hey there.
Oh my god, hi!
What a spot. Hospital, and there's a back building they never knocked down. The rest of this is all new, but it's all just kind of left like that. Actually, since we're here, I might as well get some of the coverage. Very high profile couple in the gay and arts community was murdered in one of these houses from someone who was in this house. I don't know who lives here or anything, but this is a neglected landlord thing. People kept breaking in, smoking crack. We had nice members of the community sitting here. Guy broke out in a madness. Who knows who he was or what he was. Climbed in a basement here and bludgeoned the couple to death. So just make sure if you're a landlord and own something and you don't want to be responsible for something like that, clean out your property every once in a while. So here we go. This is probably what you're thinking of when people tell you about nice beautiful Buffalo. This is the view. Street Genesee used to come straight through this building right to the City Hall without it be too confusing for cars. Sold it off to a hotel chain. Shout out Ashley K, doing this great artwork under here. By the way, you'll notice me doing very lawless things on my unicycle, going wrong ways through red lights and stuff. I just want to let you know that in Buffalo, New York, there is zero traffic enforcement. You could drive your car and do circles on that lawn. I mean, people would get mad and they're private property owners, so they might send someone after you, but for the most part, public roads are absolute free reign anarchy. We're just fortunate enough that our streets were made in a year where they were super skinny and they provide enough geographical barriers from reckless driving. So I'm gonna head over to the Labatt 6-pack and the Ferris wheel. That's where we're going. There it is. Remember, I've gone that way before, but never over this bridge. These grids are weird. They make your wheel like go like this when you're riding it. It's so weird. I can't like go straight no matter how hard I try. Oh, there's all the people. Let's see how fast I can sneak into this. By the way, this is where General Mills is. It always smells like cereal when you're in this part of town. Very fortunate. Alright, so let's see how we're gonna sneak in. Here's the parking and load in for want the
ready for this.
Now I'm recording. Let's see if I can get in here. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Got my everywhere on this thing.
Looks real safe.
He's got a helmet.
See it all. Gibbons, what happened here too? What happened here too?
Opening weekend from the cops, and I took a wrong turn on Michigan. So I was wandering around the east side in my like short bathing suit, fell over, lost my tooth.
Dochi, what's up, buddy? How you doing? What up?
Hi, how are you?
Good? Doing good?
Hi,
What
good
up?
to see you.
Look at you all geared up.
Yeah, I rolled my wheel here.
You look you're prepared for the X Games, bro.
I know.
Hit the kickflip.
See who's DJing. Hey there.
Oh my god, hi! Josie! Hi, I'm so glad you're here.
Yeah, what's up? I gotta take over now. How you doing? Sorry, I know you're the film guy, not me.
You're good.
Oh, what up, bud? What up, what up? Gabriel, very good producer. What up, Miles? How you doing? My birthday. Happy birthday, buddy.
If you're having a good time, let me hear you make some noise.
Wow, so many people here.
The only thing better than one black woman or two black women. Two black women, three black women. And waving like you just don't care. Go, 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 and breathe.
Yep, that's what I do. All right, I'll see you guys later. Good luck. Buffalo at night. Oh, it feels good to get out of that hot area. Man, there's nothing like cool night ride right after the hot sun all day. Let's see, should we take the east side back through? I'm feeling a Jefferson route. Spot. Found my lounge. Mike's lounge. They do wonders sometimes. You always gotta take this little path through them.